So we will practice today the Chit Shakti Pranayam, it's called. So Chit Shakti, it's mostly activate to our left side of our body or left side of our part of our body. It's connected to the emotional parts of our body, to the female side or moon side of our body. So we will practice today the Chit Shakti to activate if you are lazy in the morning, or if you feel bad or sad or something like this, that you not feel good from your emotion. So mostly it's a very helpful to practice, that you can activate to your all positive energy and give the positive energy to everyone surrounding you. So it's a very good exercise. Mostly we activate or stimulate to our Manipura chakra, which is located in our belly, and the Anahata chakra, which is located in our head, in our chest, and the Vishuddhi chakra, which one is connected in our throat. The Manipura chakra always is the battery in our body. So when you practice the Chit Shakti, we create a lot of fire or Agni, which is help us to digest our food, and our heart is mostly filled with full of positive energy like love, compassion, kindness, forgiveness. So you can active all the emotion, positive emotion, that you can spread it out to make yourself happy and make others happy. And the Vishuddhi chakra, when you activate, it's called vocal chakra or vocal cord. That it's a very good center of our body, which is help us to speak some things good. So that's why it's called the vocal cord or vocal chakra. So this Manipura chakra, Anahata chakra, Vishuddhi chakra connected in Chit Shakti Pranayam. So how we will do together? First, raise your arms up to the sky. Open your finger, spread your finger. Take a deep breath in. And now slowly fix your finger and bring your arms by side of your body. And forcefully breathe out completely through your nostril, not through your mouth. Okay? We will do together 20 rounds. Take a deep breath up. And now slowly bring your palms together in front of your belly and breathe in, blow your belly like a balloon, and breathe out completely. Push your belly inside. Inhale, belly coming out. Exhale, belly going in. Now you can feel the energy in your belly, in your Manipura chakra, the energy center of your body. The next, arms forward in front of your body. Again, spread your finger. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Fix your finger and breathe out forcefully, that you can bring your elbow back side of your body as far as you can. Take a deep breath in. We will do together 20 times. Take a deep breath in. Now put your hand on your heart. Now you can feel your heartbeat, that you can activate your all positive emotion, as I told before. All your love, compassion, kindness, forgiveness, that you can feel into your body, into your mind, into your soul. and relax. The last one, we will make our clavicula or our collarbone strong and to activate or stimulate to our thyroid gland also and our Vishuddhi chakra. So for this, you have to bring your hands under your shoulder, little bit more up, level up your chest. Take a deep breath in and forcefully breathe out and bring your all negativity down to the earth. So take a deep breath in. And now cover your throat through your palms and breathe out softly and smoothly. Feel in your throat, on your Vishuddhi chakra, the vocal chakra, the communication center of our body. And relax. Relax. Stop.